Alright guys, today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2007 Ford Mustang 4.0 liter. I'm going to let my son take charge on this today, show you guys how to get this done. Nice and simple. Save the money. Don't go to the oil service lube change. Get it done on your own. Alright guys, first off you want to remove the engine oil cap. Makes the flow of draining it a lot better and quicker. Alright Ivan, let's show these guys what to do today. Alright, whenever you change the oil on the 2007 Ford Mustang, you want to go ahead and use a 13 millimeter socket to remove the oil drain plug. Like so. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. There you go. There you go. Once it's loose enough, pull the drain pan. Go slowly. There you go.
Yeah, it's
nice and easy.
Yeah, so it's just like straight shitting out Hershey's.
Around and see what other issues it may be having, and right here as you can see there is a coolant leak that I believe is coming from the bypass hose up there above the water pump. It connects from the water pump to the thermostat housing unit at the top of the engine. So we'll be doing that next time. We'll be doing a video on that. Also look around down here. We spotted a hole in the washer fluid reservoir. No wonder we kept getting complaints about the fluid draining out. Guys, you want to wipe down the drain plug as well. At this point, you're okay to go ahead and reinstall the drain plug. When you got little drips like that, it's no biggie. Straighten it out, don't let it strip. Now you do want to tighten this. Alright guys, here goes the part now where you got to remove the oil filter. You see where the oil drain pan is? It's to the top left side of that oil drain pan. Right up there in that cavity. You want to get your arm through where the control arm is. Reach for it and twist and turn counterclockwise to loosen it. We got oil filter FL820-S for Motorcraft. Alright, this thing goes back on the way it came off. Nice and easy. You go counterclockwise, make sure the thread sits down properly. You go ahead and twist clockwise to get it on there. You want to go about 3/4 about hand tight as possible. You don't want to go overdoing it because then you loosen up the seat of the O-ring on there. And like so, that's it. Give it a good little wipe down and you're good to go. Alright guys, for this 2007 Ford Mustang, we're going on ahead and using the 5W30. We're using full synthetic Castro Edge with high mileage. Alright, this car has got 190,000 miles on it, so you want to use the best oil on it. Alright, so Castro Edge is definitely a good oil. Go out and get that. Not sponsored by them. Hopefully one day I will be. Alright, go ahead and add it. And this one takes 4.97 quarts, so practically almost the whole bottle. That's good. Go ahead and replace the oil cap. Like so. And the oil change is complete for this car. You guys got any questions? Send me a comment or a direct message. Alright guys, you have a good one. Good job, son.